Hi guys. Okay, I want to show you why today I sent the cell signal on vix75. No? So this is simple. I used a scalping strategy. So as you can see, the market is going down. So how do we know that the market is going down? If you can check, we have double top here. I'm going to mark for you. This is our double top here. This is our double top. And then after double top, the market did what? It went down and they broke this level. After breaking this level, they did what? Okay, this was consolidation. And then after consolidation, they broke to the downside. After breaking to the downside, they formed a lower low and then they came back up to form a lower high. And then after a lower high, they came back again to form a lower low, lower high, lower low, and then a lower high, and then a lower low. So I was obviously expecting to see a lower high again, since this I was not broken. All right, I had to post a video. So now again, I'm expecting this VIX to go down, maybe from a lower low or from a double bottom. But as for a double bottom, it will be confirmed when they fail to break this low. So I'm expecting a double bottom or something like this. So hope you understood that. Né? How I identified my trend. So let me remove this. Delete, list all. Okay. So what I did, I went to, okay, I started here on 15 minutes. Let me zoom it out a little bit. So what I did there was, just this video, this paper, I'm making noise. Yes. Let me try to continue. Yes. Okay, let me try to continue. There's nothing I can do. These people are making noise outside. All right, so I went to 5 minutes. 5 minutes. If you can check now, like here, the market went up and then they came back down and then up again, and then after they came back down and then they went up again. You can call this thing head and shoulder. You can call it a Quasimodo. You see, this is your cell level. This is your QML. First check profit and then second check profit. Don't mind my bed, it's making noise. First TP, this one, and then second TP. Second TP was it too, if you can check here. So most of the time now, when the market retraces, they retrace Okay, let me delete it. How do I delete this? How am I? Most of the time when the market retraces, they will go for swing low, swing highs, low and highs. So in this case, they came back here to test this level, even though they didn't touch it. But if you can check again, it's also an other block of which it was tested, and then after they went down. Hope we are still together. So after seeing this, and then I decided I analyzed. So my analysis was like this. Okay, since I saw something like this, sort of a QML, and here there's this level, this shadow, yeah, this shadow. If we can go to small time frame, we're going to see something different. Let me go to 1 minute. 1 minute. You see, it's an other block, or it's a swing low. So coming back to 5 minutes. So most of the time when the market hits these levels, they do what? They retrace or they go back down. In this case, you see the market hit this level, and then they did that, they went down. And again here, if you can check again, we had some sort of a pattern. We had some sort of a pattern. I'm not sure how we draw our patterns, but we had something like this here, of which is a bearish flag or a ascending what's this? What's this one? I mean rising wedge. And you know, when you see a bearish flag, the market is obviously going to break to the downside. Or when you see a rising wedge, the market is going to break to the downside. So now we have what? We have this high, and then this, lower low, and then a new lower high was formed, and then after a new lower high was formed, they formed a lower low, and then obvious they must come back to test this level, and by testing this level, they will be forming a what? Excuse me. By testing this level, they will be forming what? A lower high. So I waited for them to form this, and then after forming this, I waited again for them to break it. If you can check here on 1 minute, you will see that this is. Let me draw it exactly the way it was. Yeah, I connected this point and this point. After these ones were broken, because I had a channel like this here. So it was broken, so I kept on moving it until I had this channel. This one was a perfect one, and then again inside I had this one. If you can check this one, it was violated. Yeah, it was violated. Let me try to move it to maybe somewhere so that you can understand. It was violated here, but I waited for this one because I wanted a clear retracement. So what happened here? They went down, breaking this level, I mean this trend line, and then after they came back up to test this trend line. So this is where we took our sell signal, and then first check profit was here, and then second check profit was here. This is simple, because whenever they break a trend line, they're going to come back to test it, and then after they will go down. So always, and again, there was a level of which it was respected. Remember, these weeks here, these weeks, they act as levels. Let's highlight it. You're going to see that this is a level, a strong level. It was tested. So I will try to make a video on these levels so that you can understand them. It's simple, but to some of you is going to sound or is going to be kind of a little bit difficult, but it's simple. All you need to do is to identify these levels, but you can't draw anyway. You don't have to go around and draw. You see, this one was a strong one here, and then coming back to this one here, let me draw so that you can see. If you can check, you see, this one here was a strong one, first touch to the upside, and then it was broken, forming a what? A fake out here, a W, confirming that we are still going up, and then we came back to the same level. They failed to come and test this because there is a trend line here. They were testing this trend line, you see, until they broke to the downside, and then they came back again here on this level. You see, and then after they went back up to test this level. So this level again, it was broken, and then after it was broken, this what we call a base candle was formed. Yeah, it's a base candle here. A base candle was formed here. And then after a base candle was formed, they did what? They came back to test it so that they can continue down with their movement. You see? Same thing is happening over and over again. You see? It was, they tested this level here and then they went down again. This level here, it was tested and then they went down. And then now again, they are testing this. Let's mark this small one here since we don't have a clear since we don't have a clear with this one here, it was tested. But for now, since the market is here, you can mark this one. You can mark this one here. So if they break this one here, we know that we are coming here, and then the market might do what? Might go up here and then come back down and then continues up. But if they fail to break this level here, it means we're going to continue going down. And again here we have a newly formed order block. So possibility of it coming back to this other block is high before they shoot up. But they must break this level first before they go up. So this is simple. So that's how I managed to take this sell trade on vix75. Simple. So I'm still looking forward to see this market go down if they don't break here. But they must know once they break here, they're going to come here, this level, and then again, we will be changing our levels, and then we're going to come on this level, you see. But in this case, I think they are forming something like an M. So you must know if they form an M here, it means they are going to go down. If they form an M here, if they form an M here, it means they are going to continue going down. So I can say they will be creating some sort of a bearish flag here. Okay, bearish flag here. Bearish flag here, and they will continue going down. So how I just show you how or why I took that sell signal. Hope you understood it. Hope you understood why I took that sell signal. As I mentioned, you see from here they came here. So if this level is violated, they must know that we are continuing to go down. If they don't violate it, it means they are going to consolidate within this level and then break to the downside. So if they break to the upside, they will be maybe creating some sort of a stop and to take out stops, and then they will continue going down. So that's it, guys. So hope you understood why I took that. So thank you for watching this video.